Happy New Year! I am back with another Get Ready With Me. This is 2018. This is my first video of the year. I didn't get a chance to go out for New Year's Eve. I have a child that was sick and I have a son that's on crutches, so it was going to make it a little bit hard to do any type of festivities, so we decided to just stay home. And since I didn't go anywhere, I was planning to do a New Year's Eve Get Ready With Me. Why not do a first of the year Get Ready With Me? I did something dressy. It's not what I would call a New Year's Eve outfit, but still. Today's look is featuring Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk Palette, her lip contour kit. Look at these colors. They're so pretty. This is an actual glitter, and that's what I have in the corners of my eyes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. And of course, give it a thumbs up, share it on all your social media outlets. If you have already subscribed, thank you. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Let's begin. I'm priming my eyelids using MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Buffing that in. And now I'm setting it with Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now for the eyes, I'm using Desert Dusk Palette by Hudabeauty. And I began with Blazing. And now I'm working Saffron as my second transition color. And now I'm going into the crease, and I don't know how you pronounce this, but it's spelled O-U-D. Now, I want to deepen the crease just a little bit more, so I had to go back to Old Faithful, which is Flame in Love palette by Makeup Addiction, and I used Brownie. Now, let's cut that crease. I'm cutting the crease using my same MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm using e.l.f.'s small concealer brush with the white handle to cut the crease. Now, let's see if it's precise. And it is. So now let's work that outer V using that Brownie. And now I'm going back in with the Blazing, working that into that Brownie. And now I'm using Retrograde on the lid. And now I'm laying down Angelic right before I get ready to use the glitter. This is going into our inner corner. And now I'm laying Cosmo Glitter. All these shadows are from the palette. And now let's clean up any fallout that we had using e.l.f. Makeup Wipe Removers. And now I wanted to deepen that outer V just a little bit more, so I used MAC's Carbon eyeshadow. Now let's work this e.l.f. cream liner. I'm using it to do the wing, to wing it out. I'm sorry, I paused. I was trying to remember exactly what it was that I was getting ready to say. But yes, this is e.l.f.'s cream liner. Now let's see if it's precise. Now for the lashes, I used the new lash from my local beauty supply. It's a 3D volume lash. It's a 100% silk lash in MS03. Lashes done. Now it's time to prime. I'm priming using Maybelline's Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And now I'm color correcting with LA Girl Orange Corrector. And this sponge that I'm using is actually, it was a, excuse me, a gift with my brushes from Mikasa Beauty. Now I'm going over that orange corrector with just a little bit of LA Girl Warm Honey Pro Concealer. And now the foundation that I'm using, I'm trying something different. This is L'Oreal's True Match, and I'm using C6 Sable and C8 Cocoa. It is a little bit too light for me, but hey, I had to just go with it. I had already started, but now I know I need to try something a little bit darker, something different. I did like the consistency of it, so I will try it again. And now I'm highlighting with LA Girls Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. This is the same as in every other video. If you watch other videos, I do try some different concealers, but I've used this one in another video. Let's work it in now. I'm using the brush that I used with the foundation without any extra product on it to just blend out any harsh lines that I may have had, just to make it a little more seamless. Now I'm contouring, trying something different. Ruby Kisses 3D contour stick in Deep. Something that's different. And it was just okay. I really didn't like it. I prefer the Black Radiance contour stick. But again, I had to just go with it. I had already started using it. So now let's buff it out. Jawline, forehead. You buff it out, and the goal is to not have any lines of demarcation. So you must blend, blend, blend. This video is sped up, so of course you don't see me blending as much. So now let's take that same contour stick and let's work it into the bridge of the nose. Contouring your nose, slimming it up just a little bit. Now let's set the highlight in place using Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I want to carve out that contour just a little bit more. Snatch our face just a little more. And I don't bake, so now I'm just brushing it away. Now I'm setting a contour in place with my Holy Grail CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. Everywhere I laid that contour stick, I'm setting it in place. Blush, this is Peach Me by MAC. It's an old favorite. And now I'm highlighting with Cheeky Bronze by MAC. Just a nice subtle highlight. The bridge of the nose. And now for the under eye, I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on the lid. Starting with Blazing, going over it with Saffron, and then working that OUD over that, and then Brownie on top of that. And now I'm using Black Bean Jumbo Pencil by NYX in the waterline. And I want to smoke that out just a little bit using MAC's Carbon eyeshadow. And now this is the Maybelline Times Shayla Big Shot Mascara in Baddest Black. Now for the inner tear duct. I always like to highlight my inner tear duct, so I'm just intensifying it using the Cheeky Bronze. And this is the Lip Contour Kit by Hudabeauty. I'm starting off with the lip pencil. It comes with the pencil in 2 matte shades, and the first shade I'm using is Spice Girl. Putting that all over the lips. And then I'm laying Venus right on top of that. Just disperse that all over the lips. And now I'm going over it with Fenty Beauty's gloss. Voila.
You see me heavy work. You see me do me dirt. There's something about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe,
Thanks for watching. I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye.